Ride with the wind.
Hey everyone, this is Chad at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. We're here to talk about the bike of the week, a 2012 Harley-Davidson CVO Street Glide. This thing is set up with a 12-inch ape hangers. You can also see that it's set up with a nice Kenwood system in here as well. It comes with a Danny Gray seat. Also comes with the 110 Screaming Eagle motor. The Reinhardt Racing exhaust system as well. So again, my name is Chad. Come on down to see us at Desert Wind Harley-Davidson. If this doesn't fit your bill, we have 130 more.
Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.